Hey everyone, have you come across those viral images flooding your feed? There's a name spreading like wildfire across the internet, Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G. People are claiming this phone is about to flip the entire smartphone world on its head. But the real question is this a groundbreaking reality or just another daydream? And can it truly take down the iPhone and Samsung giants? In today's video, we're breaking down every single detail of this beast. We're talking about a 300 megapixel DSLR killer camera. Does it actually have the firepower to embarrass the biggest flagship phones out there? And what about the processor and battery inside? Are they game changers for mobile gaming? Today, we're not just throwing around rumors, we're bringing you the hard truth about every feature. Is Nokia ready to reclaim its throne? Let's cut through the suspense and find out if this phone is genuinely a beast, design, and display. It's not just the camera that'll steal your heart at first glance. Nokia has taken inspiration from its iconic Lumia era and given it a fresh, cyber-luxury makeover. The curved metallic frame and premium finish deliver a royal feel the moment you hold it. On the back, the colossal camera module gives it the vibe of a professional-grade DSLR. Flip it over, and you're greeted by a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a buttery, smooth 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Whether you're deep in a gaming session or binge-watching your favorite series, every motion feels ultra-fluid. And for protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 has your back, shielding it from accidental drops and scratches. DSLR killer camera. Now let's talk about the feature that's generating all the hype, the camera. Folks, Nokia has completely raised the bar here. We're looking at a massive 300 megapixel DSLR grade primary sensor. Just imagine what 300 megapixels actually means. You can zoom in like crazy and the detail remains so sharp, it's almost like you're seeing it with your own eyes. But wait, there's more. It also supports 50 times optical zoom. Whether you're capturing faraway landscapes or trying to zoom in on your favorite artist at a concert, this camera won't let you down. And low-light photography? This phone turns night into day. Performance. Now you're probably wondering what's powering such an incredible screen and camera setup. Inside, it's rocking the world's most powerful processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This chip is so fast that no matter how heavy your video edits are, or how many hours you spend on high-graphics gaming, this phone refuses to overheat. The cooling system is engineered to keep things chill for hours on end. Plus, you've got options for 16 gigabytes or 24 gigabytes of RAM and up to a jaw-dropping 1 terabyte of storage. Battery life. And the biggest worry for all of us, battery life. Nokia has gone all out here too. You get a monstrous 7,500 milliampere hour battery. Once you fully charge this beast, it'll easily last you 2 days, even with heavy usage. That means you can leave your bulky power bank at home. And if you ever do run low, the 120-watt ultra-fast charging has your back. You know how long it takes to finish a cup of chai? That's all the time you need to go from 0 to 100%. We're talking just 20 to 25 minutes. That's it. Price and launch date. Now the million-dollar question, what's the price? Do you have to break the bank for such killer specs? The answer is a firm no. Rumors suggest the price will be around $750. Think about it. A phone with a 300 megapixel camera, the fastest Snapdragon processor, a 7,500 milliampere hour battery, and a premium design, all for that price. Meanwhile, other brands are selling phones with half these features for the same amount. Now, I have to be upfront with you all. This phone is currently making waves as a concept. But if Nokia actually launches it with these specs, it could trigger a massive tsunami in the smartphone market. Drop a comment below and let me know how excited you are for the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G. Would you ditch your current phone for this one? Or are you one of those who still holds on to the nostalgic memories of old Nokia classics?